So we're going to introduce GIMP by showing how I made my graphic novel images. First thing I did was created an image through Midjourney using an AI generated cat. Control All, Control C, or select all, copy. I opened up a new file of a scroll image and I paste as a new layer. This is the Unified Transform tool. If you hold it, you can change it to anything you want. I like to use the Unified because it gives you all these options. Make it large. You can also change the perspective. Control Z is the undo, which I believe is right there. Yep. And I downloaded some images here for the edge. So what I'm going to do is take my transform tool and bring it to the edge of my image. I'm going to go up to the layer tool, transparency. Color to alpha is going to get rid of the white. Now you can change it to any color, but we want to get rid of the white. And then what we're going to do is take this mode, we're going to erase. Bam. So it erases the edges. And then to get the cat image to match the background, we're going to duplicate the layers. So now we have 3 of them. We can change its mode, each one. The top layer is going to be grain merge. You're going to lower the opacity down to about 8 or 9. The second one we're just going to multiply to add a little bit more contrast. And then the final lower layer is going to be burn, so that it gives it a little bit more detail. That way the scroll image shines through the image itself. If we turn it all off, you can see each layer's just adding a hint of color. And finally, we're going to select the box with the selection tool. We're going to copy visible instead of just copy. Then we're going to paste in a new image. And then we're going to take our eraser. You can select any brush you like. Basically what I'm going to use the eraser for is to clean up these edges, because we don't want to see edges. A little size to it. And then just, I'm going to erase some of the edges so it blends a little bit better on the scroll. And once we're done, we're going to go to export as, save it wherever you prefer, call it testcat.ping. You have to make sure it's ping, because the JPEG will show these black and gray boxes, whereas ping will erase them, makes them transparent. Yes, replace. And then you want to compress it so that it's not such a large image. Then once we're done with that, we're going to go to Canva, canva.com. We're going to add a page. Let's just bring it out one at a time here. Right click, change the layers, send back. Bam, there's our cat. And it's blending pretty nice, surprisingly. this is another interesting thing, is these side scrollers here, or the reshapers, resizers, whatever you wish to call them. They will hide the edge. We don't want to hide the edge. There we go. And it gives us that nice little tool so we can center it. Now that it's centered, let's add some text. Add a little bit of body text. Change the text. I like this one. Let's add a layer. And that's pretty much it.